Everything you are watching right now, every frame was created without complex prompts, just natural language. This is the new Kling O1, the new creative engine that turns your ideas into cinematic video. And today I am going to show you how to go from concept to a full shot sequence in minutes. This particular new AI video tool is just like Kling and Nano Banana came together and had a baby. That the new Kling O1 doesn't behave like normal AI video generators. You don't wrestle with prompts or hope the model understands you. Instead, you describe your characters, you set in your mode, even upload reference images. This new model allows you to upload 1 reference video and up to 7 reference images. And the Kling O1 understands the context and then builds a cohesive cinematic sequence. It's just like giving directions to a filmmaker and not a coding machine. Let me show you how natural this. So guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of the Kling O1 on Higgsfield. If you want to access this, all you need to do is to go down to my description, click on that link, log in with your email, and then click on video, and then click on Kling O1 edit. Now, as you can see, you have 3 methods of creation. Create a video from scratch using your images, and then you can also edit a video, which is where I am going to focus much on. But let's start with the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. So as you can see down here, you have elements and you have frames. The frames allows you to create like the beginning and the end if you want to, while the elements you simply upload your images and then you tell it what to do. So I'm going to start with something very simple. So I'm going to pick my image. That's the character I want to use. So I'm just going to pick her here, and then once I add that, I'm going to pick the outfit I want her to do to use. Sorry, so this is going to be so cool. So let's put her in an outfit. After that, and then I'm going to pick a particular space I want her to be in. So I have this garden image that I got, and then yeah, after that I'm then going to put everything together. So I'm going to write something like, I want the image 1 character to put on the outfit in image 2 and be walking in the garden. So I'll just put in bracket image 3. So let's do this and see what it would give us. So this is so cool, especially if you're into UGC, you're into storytelling. This is so good. So while that does that, I'm just going to take the opportunity to make her hold like a bottle of perfume, just so we see what it gives us as well. So I'm just going to say I want the images to put the card, and then hold the bottle of perfume, smiling. So just something simple, and then we're just going to generate, and then we see what it gives us. Guys, this particular platform is amazing. It's like Kling AI and then Nano Banana came together and had a baby. Literally, that's what it does. So guys, just take a look at this. Look at her walking in the garden. This is so amazing. So if you want to have like the exact same facial features, you can add it in your prompt as well, just so you're sure it does that. So guys, this is so cool. And then look at the other one with the perfume holding. This is so beautiful. This is perfect if you're doing like a UGC content, you're selling things online. This is going to be so good. You just need to add the lip syncing and then you're done. This is amazing guys. So this is like the first form of it. Very easy. You can also do the frame of if you want, so that's to show how you want it to begin and how you want it to end. So basically the same process. So this is so good. And now my favorite part, the video. This literally is like using Nano Banana but in the video format. So guys, over here, this is where we're going to do the magic. So over here, I've already uploaded the image of the perfume and then the scene I am trying to shoot, which is like a beach theme. And then over here, I'm just going to quickly add like a short video that I generated just for the sake of this tutorial, because you're going to need a reference video in order to be able to do this. And here I have my prompt. So I said I want a close-up shot of the first image perfume sitting on a beautiful purple rock in the ocean, scene 2. So something like this, I think it's fine. You can use ChatGPT for your prompt if you want, and then I'm just going to go ahead and generate, and then we're going to see what it would give us. So guys, just take a look at what it gave us. This is so beautiful. So I have the scene, I have the perfume I attached, and then I have the flowers and everything, and then I can decide to go ahead and edit and remove anything I want to do. This is so amazing. So I'm going to be showing you this using like an actual person in an outfit. So guys, I went ahead to just recreate literally the same video but in different setting, and I did this without even adding like a reference image. I simply edited this and told it to make it appear in a snow falling scene, and then also with the flowers. So without the flowers and then with the flowers, just to see the variation. And this is so beautiful, don't you think so? So guys, this just shows you how good this is. So we're going to go ahead now and then use it on an actual image. That's an actual human image or an actual human video. So I'm just going to click on the upload, and then I am going to click on my reference video. Once I have my reference video, now I'm going to put her in a particular scene or a particular element. So let's start with her walking in the ocean. So I'm just going to open this, and then this is the ocean, and then I'm just going to put it, okay. So yeah, so I want the character to walk in the ocean while twirling. So for the ocean, I'm just going to put it the image 1 just so it gets it, and then let's see what it's going to give us. So guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this amazing? So it kept the outfit and everything, and then just change where she is walking. So I can literally make her walk anywhere, from this to her walking in a desert, walking everywhere. So I'm just going to remove this, and then I'm just going to add like an image of her walking in a garden. So that would be so cool. So I'm just going to add this, and then I'm going to generate it again, and then we'll see what it gives us. So guys, literally you can do literally anything, from changing the background to changing how the character looks. Guys, just take a look at this. So she's now working in the garden. So this is beautiful, and as you can see, the facial consistency, her body structure, everything is consistent. This is simply mind-blowing. So guys, this changes everything. Kling O1 changes the whole video creation game. If you snooze on this, you're gonna lose. With Kling O1, if you can describe it, you can definitely create it. If you want to gain access to this particular version of the Kling O1 I am using, go to my description and click on that link. Currently, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 7th. Guys, don't snooze on this. If you snooze, you are gonna lose. And currently in the marketplace, Higgsfield is currently the cheapest you can find as subscription, as you can see on my screen. So what are you waiting for? Go to my description and click on that link. If you have any questions, I'll be more than delighted to help you in the comments. And if you would like me to do any other tutorial, do drop them in the comments, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.